All right, welcome back. We are on lesson 8, level 4. This level follows a video that you may have watched with your class. If you missed the video, you can watch it in the help and tips tab of this level. So that's right here. Again, the animation tab, you need to go watch that. Once you've watched it, then we can get started. So it says investigating sprites. Let's update the code below so different animations appear for the fruit and vegetable sprites. All right, so how do these blocks work? Let's take a look. It takes 3 blocks to put a sprite on the screen. Create sprite, and set animation, and draw sprites. All right, so right here we have create sprite, set animation, and draw sprites. And then we have create sprite, set animation, draw. Okay, so that's all good. So update the fruit animation. Use the drop-down menu in the set animation block to select a different sprite to use. So instead of apple, we're going to click on, oh, yay, we're going to click on strawberry. And then instead of carrot, we're going to click on broccoli. All right. Um, so if I do this, we should press run. Okay, so now they're stacked horizontally, but the challenge is try changing the position of the sprites so they're stacked vertically. All right. Okay, so let's see if we can make this happen. Um, so we need to put them on the same x-axis, so we're going to put them at 200. And then for the y-axis, I'm going to put this one at 100. This one has to be 200, and I'm going to put this one at 300. So let's reset and run. Beautiful. Oh, that's highly amusing. I did not pick this. I did not pick the strawberry and the broccoli just because of over here. I just picked them randomly. So apparently code.org is reading my mind. All right, so we're going to click finish, and I will see you on the next level. Here we go.